wasn't always meant to follow rules. The day is long for the king of fools, so I take each day as it comes my way. Yeah, just doing the best I can. I ain't out here hustling, trying to hurt no one, and the good Lord knows everything I've done. So I'm done hiding, finding the reasons why not to just be who I am. You can find me out here chasing crazy, living my life my own way. Ain't nobody out here on this road I'm on, so don't preach to me what's right or wrong. Till the day you take a walk in my shoes, only God can judge me for the